Confirmation this evening that the Omicron variant is now the dominant strain of COVID-19 in Jamaica. Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave the confirmation as he addressed the House of Representatives this afternoon. Vashon Brown has details.
There's been talk that the Omicron variant has been causing most of the country's positive COVID-19 results. And now this revelation from Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
Of the 43 samples sequenced, Madam Speaker, 40 or 93% were confirmed to be the Omicron variant. So it is clear that that is the dominant strain now in Jamaica.
The Prime Minister says these tests were done locally between December 21 and 24. The tests were done using the genome sequencer that Jamaica acquired in October. As for the existing COVID-19 containment measures, they will remain in place for the next 2 weeks.
This means that the curfew hours remain 10 p.m. nightly to 5 a.m. the following morning until 5 a.m. on February 11, 2022. All other measures remain unchanged.
Some medical professionals have been calling for tighter measures to reduce the spread of COVID, but Mr. Holness is again insisting that the current measures are adequate.
But the government, in managing our strategies here, Madam Speaker, we have been very careful and very strategic, planning well in advance. So, Madam Speaker, there was no need for us to examine new measures. Having looked at what was happening in other countries, looked at our own capacities, which we had planned for here and built up. So there was no need to come with tighter measures. We had already explained to the country that we would not go back to lockdowns. That argument done.
In the meantime, Mr. Holness says some key indicators are showing some positive signs.
While our daily case count remains very high, there are indications that it may be starting to come down. The average number of confirmed cases for the last 7 days was 921 per day. For the immediate preceding 7 days, it was 1,402 per day. So, Madam Speaker, we have seen a decline of 34%.
Encouraging too, he argues that hospitalization is showing a slight downward trend. So when the current measures end, the Prime Minister says there will be a review to determine whether they can be loosened. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.